When in Germany, we stopped for a quick block party event. BAM 24, Bergson Biergarten.
We've met him many times before. The last time was in Arizona, Yuma. Yeah, at the block party in Yuma. And here we are, block party in
Germany.
Oh my gosh, Pathfinder 33, how are you?
Hey, we're doing good, Dave. It's good to see you and Karen here at an event. It's good to run into y'all outside of the U.S. or outside of North America.
Yeah. This is so cool. And we're gonna have a share of beer.
Absolutely.
We're gonna go get a beer. We'll sign the wall. We'll sign the wall. We meet signal, and then we'll get a beer.
Let's do it.
That's what Germany does.
That's what Germany does.
Yeah, there you go.
It's not like
Okay, we're gonna get a video first. How are you doing? You doing great? Good English? No? You're a German signal today. No? Okay, good.
Of course, the big draw for this event is the water slide.